going on? Back here. Feeling good today. It's hot outside. I thought it was going to rain. I wasn't even going to do this install until weather got a little better. But as you can see, got a new camera. I think the quality is a lot better than my phone. Got a package in the mail. Got some brakes, front brakes. Got these brakes from FCP Euro. I ordered these brakes yesterday. I ordered them like yesterday, like 2 p.m. And they got here literally like 1 p.m. the next day. I went with the FCP Euro because these were $50 cheaper and shipping. They had an option for free shipping, but I paid $9.99. ECS Tuning had them for about the same price. However, shipping and tax ended up being $40 more. So I'm gonna take a look and see how it is. Brakes are terrible in my car, by the way. All right. So we're gonna open up the first box. This obviously should be the pads. Here we go. This one's coming right here. We got the Akebono Brake Experts European Auto Premium Pads. Advanced OEM technology. Oh yeah. This is for some serious stopping right here. As with the pads, we got Molly brake fluid. Wait, brake lube, my bad. Molly brake lube. That's all that comes in that box. OEM brake paste. And sensor. Will let me know when I need new ones. Now the good thing about FCP is they come with lifetime warranty, so you literally buy these brakes once, and every time they go low, you replace them. I mean, you get free replacements. Just don't wear them out to the complete edge. I don't know about the rotors, but I know the brakes are like that. Lifetime. Box was beat up. This is the total right here. This is everything it came with. Total. God, these things are massive. This ain't your average car, you know. This ain't no Honda brakes. God, look at this thing. This thing is heavy. Oh yeah. What happened?
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you.
You ready?
Yeah. Well, the sun's gonna stay up for like another 3 hours.
You think so? All right, so we're gonna do this side first, and then push it over to that side so we don't have to play in the puddle.
All right.
All right.
Yo, these rotors are crazy.
Yo, those rotors are huge, right? Yo, lift it up, bro. Lift it up. Those rotors are huge. This thing is massive, yo. I guess you gotta stop this big thing. So you wanna explain to the people what we're doing?
Not really.
You gotta like squat down like this and go. So this is the wheel. This is the rim. and what we're changing is the brakes. And then that's it, you know. Like they didn't know because I'm gonna name the title that anyway. Yeah.
You're gonna name the title what?
Changing the brakes, I guess. I don't know. I tried to go for
Changing the brakes on the Beamer.
Bruh. Yeah, I'll just take this piece off.
There.
I have dropped my car the other day. I think I told you about that, right?
Yeah. I saw it yesterday, well, yesterday.
What?
I saw how it looked driving from behind you.
What do you mean?
How low your car sat.
Oh, you see it though? You notice it? It looks really Alright, I should have jacked. Cool. Oh crap, I should have took off the wheel first. You're gonna learn to love this thing. You gotta kick it because sometimes it's a little bit. You see the nice pretty coilovers. I'm trying to show them what happens when you don't change your brakes and why you need to change your rotors. I gotta get used to this zooming in thing. I don't want to touch them, but got a nice little rusted lip in here. The pad doesn't actually look that bad. What do you think? The pad don't look that bad for the type of like damage that it caused. You know?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You see the difference with your new pad.
You know, the only thing this gun really does is it just eases the, you know what I mean? It just stops you from having to take it off all the way. Alright, so this should be able to come off now, right? Oh, need a. Oh, thanks, man. This is the next size down?
Yeah.
That's the same size.
No, it's not.
Well, I don't know. 2 sizes down. Oh, I think that's it. I think we Eureka. That's it, my friend. Wait. One more, big. That's it. One more, big.
Here.
Oh, you can record from there if you want. You want to do it? Here.
Might as well. You gotta be careful because you were too cheap to buy warranty.
You gotta be careful because it's too cheap to buy warranty. You gotta be careful because you just don't want to mess up the camera. Need to, you know, get all the griminess off of the hub. Now they're the same size. God, these things are massive. It's the old, this is the new.
Hold up.
They're the same size. These things are huge.
Scary.
I know, right? Seeing that. Sister sounds deep, voice deeper than Luke's.
This is a great angle.
Yeah, I know, right? These are like the brakes that this is like the company I guess BMW gets their brakes from. You know?
Yeah.
And then they put their nice BMW logo on it. You can have the sensor. Oh, make sure they can get this one good too. I want to make it known how to take out a sensor. This is just the little box for the sensor to let you know your pad life.
Do it one more time.
What?
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, that's the box. It's just all it does is it has one connection in it. Well, 2 connections, one for the ABS. And you just take it off, bam. These sensors are really annoying because if you don't change them, you get that brake light ding, ding, ding in it. I don't see, it's not worn out as much. Let me check the new one. Okay, yeah, it's definitely worn completely. I'm gonna do my little rap skit, alright?
No, please don't.
Putting on gloves, cause you gotta cover up. Take your girl to my house.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I know my grandmother watches this. I gotta take that off. Yo. Who'd have ever thought that I'd be out here working on my car one day? I think everyone would have thought that. What do you think?
Yeah.
In here. So let me install a new sensor. Like so. New sensors in, wire it through the back of the pad. I'm at the back of the caliper. It always feels good doing stuff to your car, knowing, especially not paying a lot of money for a tune when you should have been doing this in the beginning, you know? You know how much I paid for that tune?
How much? 500? That's 5, right?
That was, yeah, we're just gonna call it 5. It was pretty much 5. Oh yeah, now the caliper carrier has to go back on, doesn't it? These mofos only getting a nice slow walk around on one side. After we do this one side, if you don't know how to put it on by now, then just keep rewinding the video. And that's the top right there. I'll tighten this sucker up. And put the breaker bar on. That's Oh, I thought the battery died. Alright, so everything's back on. I just have to put this last pin on. Right here, everything's all tightened up. So I have to put this on, and the rotor's going to be up. So just to recap, because I know this is probably going to turn out to be not a really informative video, because whatever, but the brake steps had to come off, the wheel had to come off. Caliper, there's 2 bolts in the back. I guess this is fine being loose like that. The caliper carrier, then we had a screw for the rotor, then the rotor came off. And that's about it. Oh yeah, and then I had to fish off this brake line right here. I mean, not the brake line, but the brake sensor line. That just goes right back in, how you take it out. It's not that hard. And we're gonna throw everything back on. I'm gonna tighten this up. It seems like it's a little loose. I don't know if it's supposed to be that way. As you can see, this piece right here was sort of kind of a pain in the butt to put on, but once you got it on, oh, now it's tight. That makes sense. Once you get it on, you learn to love it. So now we did this whole side. I gotta put the wire on right here, and we're gonna go ahead and throw the, oh crap, we're gonna go ahead and throw this on, throw the wheel on, and then we get. So yeah, here's the difference between both brake calipers. Let me get this fixed on right. I need to get a better mount. This is a new brake pad. Sorry, I might have said caliper. This is the old brake pad. I'm curious to see what the other ones look like. This is done. Hopefully I ride better. So the second wheel's coming off. We're gonna do this like in a fast mode kind of thing. My friends, the finished product. Alright, so we're gonna do the bed-in procedure. You know what, I'll just make it up, because I don't know what it specifically is for this car, you know? You hear me? Yeah. Just make it up. I'll take that one out. I won't put that in there. Can we go that way? Is that a dead end? Which one? This street up here. That's a nice 335. You see it? One more 30 coming right up. That's 35. Yo, alright, now what we gotta do? Yo, are you making it? Yo, I'm making it up too. Alright, I think it's like a 20 mile an hour medium brake, like. There you go. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do a 20. We're at 20. Medium brake. Getting to 20 again. Medium brake. Alright, back up. This is actually pretty annoying. Especially because we just making it up. The brakes are weak, yo. They just like clenched itself.
Because they're healing. You gotta let them heal now.
I let off the pedal, but I felt like it was going down more. And they're healing. This guy, now he knows all the proper procedures. He knows all the proper procedures now. Oh, just 2 seconds ago, he ain't here. Alright, so we just gotta drive around until it cools off, right? Take it for a nice little drive. Well, at least we know the wheels are on tight because it ain't really messing us up that much. We're gonna drive around. This is the finished product right here. You see that coating came off of it. You see? See the backs? You can see the difference between the backs. They old. Yo. Alright, do me a favor. Do a 30 and then slam on the brakes. Like, I guess reverse. That thing looking nice. Look at it. I'm trying to follow it. I'm running out of zoom. Yeah, that's good. You notice a difference? You notice a difference?
Yeah, of course I notice a difference.
I guess you can park it up. What's a good closeout technology? I mean, a closeout for word.
Good night, tomorrow.
Tomorrow. But everybody does that hit the camera thing. Everybody does that. Like, I don't really like it because I just don't want to be like everybody else. You know what I mean? Well, I mean, this is it. There ain't nothing else to talk about. So this is gonna be a typical old closeout that I normally do. Oh, look at that. That's a wrap. What's that wrap on? What is that? A C class? A E class? Oh, that's actually not that bad. You think so?
Oh my God.
Look at this. You have a stop sign, sir. All right. Well, I guess that wraps everything up.